Hey there, Caroline here from Wild Adventure Way. Today's topic is specifically designed really for the ladies. However, I suppose the lads can pass on the good word to the ladies. So it's a message for everyone. We're going to talk about the Mooncup. I was asked last week about what adventure ladies do when they're on their period and they're on an adventure. We're going to talk about it for the practicality and also the eco-conscious aspect of it. So, tampons versus Mooncup. This is a fun conversation. So what is a Mooncup? I can't believe that people don't actually know what a Mooncup is. So, a Mooncup is quite literally a silicone cup that you use instead of tampons. So what this means is you aren't using single-use tampons each and every day throughout your period. You're now just using one cup, which you can reuse, I think up to something like 15 years of reuse, which is insane. So you use one cup for your entire period, you boil it at the end of your period, and then it's good to go for 15 years. And I know that for a lot of women it would be something that would stop you from going out camping or stop you from going out on an adventure. So this opens up a whole new world for you ladies. Have an amazing day and enjoy your next period.